Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'll be teaching you on how to trade or transfer players in Fantasy Premier League. So you need to go ahead and launch your Fantasy Premier League application on your device. Or you can also use the web browser and go to fantasy.premierleague.com. Then after, log into your specific account and go to the option of transfers from the top, which is between Big Team and Leagues and Cups. And select the player that you wish to trade by clicking the X icon. I'm going to use Henderson. In the bottom, you'll get the option of auto pick as well. Otherwise, you can click on this option right here and then select replacement. Then scroll down and find the player that you want to add or replace. And make sure that you pick a new player whose price is equal to or less than the specific player that you just replaced. And finally, confirm your transfer. Or you also have the option to restore. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again